How much homework do we have?
What?
How much homework do we have?
Oh!
Whoa! As you see here, we're in the middle of a sandstorm. We're about to die. Well, some people are about to die. Here comes the video that's the best. Well, one of them.
We're going to die now. But we have to die with me.
Wait, hold on. Is the sound even on? Wait, it's not on.
To get out.
Okay, it's working. We gotta get out of here. Things are about to go flying.
Yeah, let's die.
No, don't die.
Let's die.
You don't have to kill yourself before it kills
I have
you.
to. I just killed myself before it killed me.
That's not necessary. You must survive.
That was.
It wasn't.
I don't want.
So much
Right.
lag. My recording can't handle this, but I don't care. Oh, I'm a survivor.
Yeah, you are lucky. I'm not. Is it working, your camera, or what?
Yeah. Now it is, after 5
I
million
think
tries.
so. I've
Height school. Wow, it's only got 2. It only has 2 floors. I'm gonna go to my classroom.
Yeah, that's not true. Visual classroom.
Right in here. Well,
This is the tension.
oh, oops.
Closest here. I'm the teacher now.
Whoa! Whoa!
Bye.
Ah! Sorry, class is dismissed. Class has been dismissed since there's a tornado.
Tornado in that class.
Class has been dismissed. I have no hair.
Bye.
I have no hair.
Gosh, I have.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair, but his name was not Fuzzy Wuzzy because he was Cool Boy. Ah! My head. My head fell off and now it's
Did you
flying everywhere. I died.
Why are you watching me? Oh my! I don't know where to go because the tornado is coming. Oh. Yes, I'm a survivor. Are you sad?
No.
Yeah, you are because I'm a survivor.
I'm sad that I'm not a survivor. Stay still for a second. I want
I
the
hope
viewers to know that it's you. It's this person.
Yes.
In the red outline. Nope, not that person.
The nerd one.
The one in front of me right now.
Who's jumping?
I'm gonna go up in my base. That is likely to be destroyed.
Like right now.
Yeah.
Because everyone's going in it.
People, we can't have so many people up here. It's not that stable, you know.
Oh no, I'm going in.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I just died.
Uh-oh. No! Acid Rain, get in! Get out of my way!
Die, 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 die.
That's not the language we use here. You can say you're gonna die, but
Be killed.
every whiz of fail made this. My gosh, I can see from up here. I can see how they actually break. It has more than one layer every building, and as one layer gets broken, it starts losing its. I died. It's the end of the world as we know it. Started glitching into the sky.
Oh, I'm going to die. I'm going to die. I see you. I see you.
Ah!
Oh no. You want to go in prison again?
I don't want to go to prison and you can't make me. Ah! No! No! No!
Which room are you in? I need to get out. Oh no.
There's a blizzard in here. Hey, that's a good thing.
No.
The blizzard is a good thing.
Why?
That means that the
Why?
bars might break. The bars might freeze and we can get out. But we might
Oh,
lose
please.
a bit of health.
The door has to freeze, then you can kick it down. Oh, I'm free.
How?
Hi. I can't push it. Push it outside. Get out! Oh.
It's starting to fall apart.
Yeah, but you have to get out. Oh my!
Oh, I can get out the top.
Oh man! Look, I was in this one.
This fell through every single floor.
You didn't die.
Yeah, because I had my
You
balloon.
survived. Everyone survived.
Yeah. Remember that
Revenge.
the person
on
I
you.
am playing with is this. Should be highlighted right there.
What? Dude, I want to play Minecraft with you, but yeah.
This is fun. Again?
Again? I'm going in prison again.
I got hit by barbed wire. And it burned
Are you
me.
going to join me with prison again?
I don't want to go to prison. I did nothing wrong.
What? You did?
What did I do?
Kill people.
What people did I kill?
Use ice cream. I know what it is.
They're
It's patties.
yes, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna make them fall off.
Me too. What do you want to say? Hey, okay, I'll not give you food.
Ah!
Okay.
Ah! Okay, let's become prisoners. I don't want to die.
It's. What is it?
What the heck? Look downstairs.
I know, right? We cannot get out. No!
I can. I must get to the prison.
I mean,
I'm going into the prison because if I'm in prison, they can't. If I'm in prison, I won't get hurt.
I just died.
I went
I
in.
just died.
I went in prison, so I didn't have to die.
You know it's lava.
Hey, you don't need to free me.
Kid?
I'm gonna go on the toilet. I'm gonna go in the toilet.
Kid, I'm going to play Minecraft.
I had to make my very own fart noises with my hands because of I don't have any sound effects.
You survived.
I want to go back to the toilet.
I want to get to Minecraft when we are done with this video.
Again?
What?
I don't want to do that same thing. Oh.
Oh!
Heights School, my least favorite map. Yay. I'm going on the top. Actually, never mind. Wait, I'm still in my prison suit.
I'm not.
Give me a second, I gotta change back. Reset character. Oh, well, I killed myself in the process, but it should work. Hey, it worked! I'm not in prison. I'm not in a prison uniform. But I'm dead.
Okay.
I'll watch you die.
Is there a... But I'm not good. I'm not going to die.
Thunderstorm. People just went flying into the air.
Yeah, I'm down here, downstairs. Maybe if when we are done with this video,
Okay, I was terrible at the Roblox death sound. I can't do the Roblox death sound very well.
wait, I just want to play Minecraft now. You know, I'm going to do this, and you don't know I'm going
I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna end this video because it's getting a little bit too long.